Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the problem. So here we have an expression that is x to the fourth power negative 1 over 81. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? In the given answer choices, I have to find the one that is equivalent to this expression x to the fourth power negative 1 over 81. Okay, here in answer choice A, a binomial is squared, and B, a binomial is raised to the fourth power, and in C, trinomial is raised to the power of 2. In D, we have the product of three binomials, that is three factors. When I look at the given expression, the first one is x to the fourth power, it can be written as a square. And when I look at the second one, 1 over 81, 81 is a perfect square, 1 is also a perfect square. So we can write the second one also as a square. When I write both the terms as squares, I'll be getting the difference of two squares. Then we can write that one in factored form. Okay, now let me take the given expression as it is. That is x to the fourth power negative 1 over 81. Okay, I'm going to write this x to the fourth power as x square the whole square. Whenever we write two exponents like this, so what we can do is we can multiply these two exponents. When I multiply these two exponents 2 and 2, I am getting 4. That is, I am getting x to the fourth power. So this is equal to x to the fourth power. And here this one can also be written as 1 square, because even if I write this 1 as 1 square, the value of this 1 square is still equal to 1. And this 81 can be written as 9 square. Let me continue. X square the whole square negative. So here we have the same exponent for both numerator and denominator. Whenever we have the same exponent for both numerator and denominator of a fraction, we can write the exponent in common. That is, we can take this exponent 2 for the fraction 1 over 9. That is 1 over 9 square. Okay, as I said earlier, I wrote the first term x to the fourth power as square, and the second one 1 over 81 also as a square. Now there is a negative sign between them. That is this is a difference of two squares. Now let me consider the algebraic identity where we have the difference of two squares, that is a square and b square. So whenever we have a difference of two squares in the form a square negative b square, it can be written in the factor form, that is a positive b times a negative b. Okay, now when we consider the expression over here, it is exactly in this form. At the place of a, we have x square. At the place of b, we have 1 over 9. So we have to be very careful with the first one over here. So here we have square, here we have square. At the place of a, we have x square. So if I want to write this expression in factored form, I have to use this a positive b times a negative b. So here at the place of a, I have to write this x square. At the place of b, I have to write 1 over 9. Let me do it. X square positive 1 over 9 times x square negative 1 over 9. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to take this particular binomial separately. That is x square negative 1 over 9. So here x square negative. So this 1 over 9 can be written as 1 over 3 the whole square, because this 1 can be written as 1 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. We'll be getting 1 square over 3 square. It can be written as 1 over 3 the whole square. So the stuff what we have done for this 1 over 81. That is, here we have written 1 over 81 as here 1 over 9 the whole square. The same thing I have done over here. Now again we got the difference of two squares over here. So when I compare this and this, at the place of a we have x, at the place of b we have 1 over 3. So the factor form of this one is a positive b times a negative b. For a we have to write x, for b we have to write 1 over 3, and for a minus b, for a we have to write x negative, for b we have to write 1 over 3. Now I got the factor form of this expression, that is x square negative 1 over 9. So for this expression, this is the same we have over here. For this one, we can plug in this stuff. Then I'm getting x square positive 1 over 9 times, for this one, we got this factor form, that is x positive 1 over 3 times x negative 1 over 3. Okay, now, so I got the stuff that is equivalent to x to the fourth power negative 1 over 81. So that is equal to the product of three binomials over here. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.